A blessed day mga kaibigan. Ako po si Tech Shider. Welcome po sa aking YouTube channel. Narito po akong muli para ihatid ang mga latest updates. Isa pong international top caliber interior designer ang muling nagbalik at makibahagi sa misyon ng ating mahal na inang Reynang Helen Abdurrahjak. Siya po ay si Princess Sandra Costa. Sa video pong ito, all credit po sa ating mahal na inang Reynang Helen Abdurrahjak at kay Princess Sandra Costa.
Hello, I'm Princess Sandra Costa, and I am speaking to you from Beverly Hills in Los Angeles. My passion in life is that I'm an architectural designer. I work in sustainable products, I work in eco-friendly materials, and I believe in technology and everything that can be done for saving this wonderful planet that we live in. I know what you're doing over there, under the guidance of the King and Queen, is going to make a huge difference, not only to your country, but to the world. I look forward to seeing you again and spending more time discussing, preparing, and doing what can really help and make a difference. So please, do keep going until we meet again. And I know that will be in the near future. I will see you. Bye-bye.
Maraming salamat po sa inyong pagsubaybay. Mega love shoutout po sa lahat ng mga nagkokomento ng positibo. Please like the video to support. At inyo pong ishare sa inyong social media communities. At kindly subscribe kung kayo po ay bago sa aking YouTube channel. God bless.